In the modern world, we are surrounded by health challenges. Human beings have altered the environment and our diet. Processed foods, incomplete nutrition, and artificial ingredients are linked to physical imbalances that threaten our well-being. Now there is a defense against these negative health influences. And unlike them, it is completely natural. Kensenbergisterol is a formulation based on the bergamot, a little-known, relatively rare species of citrus fruit. This variety of citrus has been clinically tested and has shown promising results in promoting cardiovascular health. Our physical well-being depends on our cardiovascular system. This network of veins and arteries, controlled by heart muscle and connecting every organ, serves as the pathway that supplies nutrients and oxygen to all of the body's tissues. Cardiovascular function involves a number of factors. Cholesterol is one. Cholesterol is a vital component of cell membranes, and the proper level of this metabolite in the cardiovascular network is vital to good health. Kensenbergisterol can help in maintaining levels of cholesterol that are already within normal limits. Triglycerides are derived from food and transported to fat cells. They are released from fat tissue to provide energy. Just as with cholesterol, the quantity of triglycerides present in the bloodstream involves a precise balance. Blood glucose and blood pressure levels also play a part in everyday physical function. Every one of these parameters is an essential indicator of cardiovascular well-being. Today, science has identified a means to help maintain levels of triglycerides, blood glucose, blood pressure, and cholesterol that are within normal limits. This breakthrough discovery stems from a single natural source, the bergamot fruit. The variety Citrus bergamia risso is a strain of bergamot fruit that grows in the Calabria region of Italy. This remarkable citrus is the basis of Kensenbergisterol. It is produced without the use of pesticides, harvested and then blended under a strict set of process controls. It's provided and shipped in bottles as a liquid supplement instead of capsule form for several reasons. The juice extract is naturally potent, not highly processed, which is necessary in mass-producing capsules. Clinical trials showed a significant difference in results between bergamot juice and bergamot powder. Bioavailability is another issue. As a liquid, bergisterol is more easily absorbed than a dried and fractionated extract. The final product is stabilized to maintain freshness, but no preservatives are added. Kensenbergisterol is 100% juice, juice concentrate, and extract. In a convenient, low-calorie formulation that is high in vitamin C, bergisterol may be consumed alone or mixed with cold beverages. Because it is produced from natural ingredients, you can enjoy bergisterol without concerns regarding side effects or toxicity. Bergisterol is a concentrated and standardized serving of bergamot to afford daily support for your heart and cardiovascular health. And it's available only from Nikken. Make Kensenbergisterol a part of your lifestyle. A simple, quick, and easy way to support heart health every day.